I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby.
What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here
up,
at
guys?
Rap Sesh. We are going to be showcasing one of our favorite tools or products that we use here in the shop. We actually previously did an episode on the Innovative Tools Super Stand Bumper Stand, which you're going to see both of these right here.
I think we were building it though.
But we were building
Yeah.
it, yeah. So we'll have to drop a link below to that old episode if you want to see the whole build process. It is from jmcautomotiveequipment.com. If you guys are looking for any kind of like body shop, auto shop, they have like welding equipment, like anything
kinds
you
of
could
stuff.
need
Yeah.
for a shop like this. So make sure to check them out on JMC Automotive. jmcautomotiveequipment.com. Thank you guys for sending us our new bumper stand. We really need one because normally
Now
we have like
we'll-
4 bumpers off in the shop at once.
Yeah, if we have more than one car in here taken apart, it gets pretty hectic. But now at least I can have the front and rear bumper on at the same time.
Yes, and nothing's on the ground, it's not in the way, on the tables, things like that.
Yeah.
So we really, really love this stand, and we're gonna go over how we actually use this stand because we got a lot of questions on social media and online and a lot of interest in
Everyone's
this
like,
product.
what is that stand?
But they had questions like, well, how do you use this and how do you have problems with that? So we wanted to do an episode specifically dedicated to this product because we are a shop that is well known for disassembly. We take bumpers off 75% of the time,
Most of the time.
and wrap around everything. So this kind of tool is perfect for us to wrap on, and it really makes our life
Yeah,
easier.
they have a nice wide base. You can. The only thing we put is like these boxes on here. We have those on here for weight because when you're pulling on a bumper,
Yeah. So that's probably the one biggest thing you have to plan ahead for is your weight distribution. If you're only pulling on one side of this bumper, I mean, the stand is pretty light, and it does have locking wheels.
it doesn't go
underneath.
anywhere.
It won't go anywhere,
But you'll pick it up.
You'll pick it up.
Yeah.
So it's best to either be pulling evenly, so you're both pulling from one side of the bumper stand, or you put some rolls of material on the bottom.
That's all we
worked
do.
really well for
Yeah,
us.
big full rolls of material,
Right.
weighs it down,
If
and
you
it.
have sandbags, you could do that too,
That
but
works.
more than likely you've got boxes of film lying around, so try that instead.
Yeah.
That works really well for the initial pull, and then you can unlock the wheels, move it around, and
Yep.
right now it's set upright, this one is.
This one is
This
set
is where it
sideways.
turns when it's set sideways. So it has a full degree,
I think
what
it's
is
got
that,
about
90 degrees? 90
kinda-
degrees of motion.
Got about 5 different angles
Right,
that you can throw it
just
at.
set it on. Can we turn that around so you can see the backside?
Yes, you can, because it's
So
got
show
wheels.
them all the toggles and things.
The toggles.
Yes.
These things.
Yes, these things.
So it's got knobs and stuff, because you can adjust pretty much everything, which is really nice because no bumper is the same.
Right, so like any bumper you can
Yeah.
fit it on there and adjust it to hold it down
So it's
properly.
so it's got this nice pad here on the front, and that holds the front end of the bumper. You usually can find a nice spot anywhere on the front of the bumper to stick that into. And then pretty much all you gotta do is you can adjust the head of these clamps, and you can adjust where they swivel to, how long they come out. You can also adjust the entire bar up and down depending on how, cause like this front bumper is a lot shorter than this rear bumper.
Totally
So,
different shape.
way different setup, but it fits
But it
both of
holds
them just
both of
fine.
them.
Yeah.
Think of it almost like arms, like little robot arms with all the joints. Like that's what it does on the backside. It's like a dance.
Yeah, is that what it does?
Yeah. So really cool. Why don't you demonstrate? Turn it up. So normally when we wrap with these, we wrap with them straight up like this is how we initially pull them. And then once we get the whole surface laid down, then we'll flip it back sideways and you can sit down on a chair and sit there and trim out. And you're not sitting on the ground like hunched over, breaking your
Or you
neck.
can just
Did
stand
you just
at
hear
it.
me crack when I
thought
did
you
that?
did break your neck.
So today what we're actually gonna do is the rear bumper pull on this Mustang, which is for the Function Factory and Ceramic Pro. We are wrapping it in a Avery textured black carbon fiber, so just like this one.
Yep.
Really nice film to work with.
Yeah.
Don't.
It's nice.
Wait. Okay. All right, let's get wrapping. Thank you guys so much for watching this week.
Okay.
Thank you so much to JMC Automotive Equipment for hooking us up with our innovative tools, Super Stand, Bumper Stand, that's a mouthful.
Bumper stand.
If you guys are interested in purchasing anything automotive or related to a wrap shop, make sure to check out JM. Get your shit together, Carol! If you guys need automotive body shop tools, anything like that, make sure to check out JMC. Whoa, Automotive.
Did I do it?
I think so. JMCautomotiveequipment.com. If you guys are interested in those infrared IR heaters, hit us up. We will be selling those on our website at Rapsesh.az now.
We will.
And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh. Bye. Well, see you next week. That's my sign-off sound.
You don't.
So can you make a J? So we'll go J, M, C.
You're gonna make me do a cheerleader dance?
Other
a
way,
J?
other way. Other way! You go like this. Make a T. Make a T. J. Does that look like a J? Okay, just follow me.
Why do I follow you? What
It'll look funny.
Do it, you do
It'll
it.
look funny.
You do it.
Okay, J,
J,
M,
M.
C. Huge shout out to JMC. Yeah, huge shout out to Innovative Tools Bumper Stand.
Appreciate so much. No.
Use your words.
Blooper reels get real.
Just shake it off. Shake it. Okay. Make sure to check out JM. Get your together, Carol.
Dude, I am not good at making letters with my body.